This is the Programmer Owl, and in this video I'm going to walk through the Edabit Python challenge, Burglary Series, Adjectives Total. And in this challenge they want you to, given a dictionary of adjectives, return the total amount of adjectives used. And so basically they're already going off of the assumption that the dictionaries are already determined. We don't have to worry about anything like that. We don't have to worry about creating a dictionary or adding a list to a dictionary or any of that type of stuff. All we need to worry about is counting how many items are in the dictionary. And so that is a very easy process. It's just return length of the dictionary. So that should figure out how many adjectives or words are in that dictionary list. And that is how I attacked that problem.